Print your dreams. How 3D printing will change the world. Imagine a world where your imagination creates reality. A world powered by 3D printing. Today, we'll explore how this technology could transform our lives. 3D printing is a game changer. It turns digital designs into physical objects. This process uses layers of materials to build up items. It's quick, efficient, and revolutionizing industries worldwide. To understand this better, let's break it down into steps. First, you need a digital design. This can be made with special software or found online. Next, the 3D printer reads the design file. The printer then heats materials, usually plastic or metal. Finally, it layers the materials to create the object. Why is this so important? Traditional manufacturing is slow and costly. It often requires multiple steps and large factories. With 3D printing, anyone can create items right at home. This opens up endless possibilities. For example, consider healthcare. 3D printing can create custom prosthetics. These are tailored to fit individual needs. This not only enhances comfort but also reduces costs. Similar advancements are seen in aerospace, automotive, and even fashion. Imagine a future where buildings are printed in days, or homes tailored to each family's needs. This technology is already making that possible. Companies are exploring concepts like 3D printed houses that are affordable and quick to build. Now, let's summarize the key points. 3D printing transforms ideas into reality. It simplifies manufacturing and reduces costs. From healthcare to construction, its impact is far-reaching. Are you excited about the future of 3D printing? There's so much more to explore. Dive into this technology. Check out local makerspaces or online communities. Start designing your first project. Let your creativity run wild. If you enjoy future tech and smart gadgets, hit subscribe. We cover exciting breakthroughs every week.